Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Webflow users, in today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of adding Amazon payments to your Webflow website. By integrating Amazon payments, you can offer your customers a familiar and trusted payments option to their or for their purchases. So let's dive in and learn how to add Amazon payments to your Webflow sites in just a few simple steps. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser you'd like to use. Once you open that browser, of course, whatever browser you prefer, once you open that, go and type Amazon.com and hit the enter button. Because the first step, of course, is setting up your Amazon Pay account. Or sorry, as we said, we would like to set up our Amazon Pay account. So we will have to go to pay.amazon.com and hit the enter button because that's what we want actually. So if you don't have already an account here, make sure to go and click on sign up for business registration. And if you have an account, make sure to just go and log into it. Make sure you complete the registration process and provide the necessary informations to activate your Amazon Pay account. As you can see, if we would like to register here, we'll have to give them a lot of informations. So make sure to do so. It will not be too hard. Once you do so, of course, let's just go and open Webflow. But of course, once you created your account here, or once you're logged in into it, you'll have to generate Amazon Pay API credentials. So once your Amazon Pay account is set up, navigate to the developer section or API settings. You'll normally find this on your profile settings and generate your Amazon Pay API credential, which includes your seller ID, MWS access key, and secret key, and client ID. These credentials are necessary to establish a secure connection between Amazon Pay and Webflow. Once you get them, simply go now to Webflow and go to a new tab, type webflow.com and hit the enter button. If you have an account again, simply just go and log in into it. If you don't, just go and click on get started or create an account and you will have to follow the prompt of creating your account. It's going to be pretty simple as well. Then you will have to go and set up a website for yourself. And of course, it's going to be pretty simple. If you follow the instructions of Webflow, it's just pretty simple. It should not take a lot of time. So once you log in into your account and access the designer or editor, you'll have to go to the settings of panel. So simply go to your designer, click on the three dots, sorry, and click on settings. Once you do so, of course, you'll find yourself right here. Now, make sure to click on this custom code option, and as you can see, you'll not be able to add any custom code unless you get a plan. So make sure to click on add a size plan, and here you'll have to get one of their plans. Of course, the standard is enough, but if you want to get more, you can do so. As you can see, the standard will get you 500 commerce items, but 2% transaction fee and all CMS plan features. And those two will get you more e-commerce items and zero transaction fee. Of course, if you want to compare with them or with each other, you can see everything here. Scroll down. There is also the website plans. There's the starter, basic, CMS, and business. Of course, the CMS will let you get your custom code. So make sure to get this or business one. Of course, you can even compare the plans from here as well. Once you do so, of course, go to the custom code, add the API credentials that you get from Amazon Pay, and you will be good to go. Simply, you'll be able to include your seller ID, MWS access key, secret key, and client ID. So click on connect to establish a secure connection between Amazon Pay and Webflow. Once you do so, you'll have to go back to the editor. So let's just go to the dashboard as an example. And here, go and open a designer as an example here. And you'll have to simply add the Amazon Pay button. So simply go and add a button. Then once you add the button to your website, you can, of course, in the Webflow designer or editor, you can add the button element to your desired location, add it wherever you want on your website. And the button, you can, of course, customize the button text, style, and appearance to match your website design or whatever you want. You can change it to whatever or however you want. Of course, in the button settings, select the Amazon Pay option because you already integrate that, so you'll find it there. And the payments settings such as currency and payment description. Then you'll have to set or to test and deploy the Amazon Pay integration. So it's crucial to test Amazon Pay integration before making it live. You can use Amazon Pay a sandbox environment to create a test product to simulate transaction. Ensure that the checkout process works smoothly and the payment is proceeded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the testing, publish your Webflow site to make the Amazon Pay integration live. Of course, you'll be able to do so if you have your domain name, so simply you can do so. And of course, make sure to design everything for the tablets, for the phone, because a lot of people forgot about those. They just design everything for the PC and forgot about the tablet users and mobile users because they need some attention as well. Because a lot of people use just their mobile phone or their tablet. And of course, if you're still facing any issues, you can also open a new tab, go to university.webflow.com and hit the enter button. And here you'll find yourself on this page. Of course, if you are logged in into your Webflow account, you'll find yourself logged in here also. Simply go to more and click on integrations here. And here, make sure to pay or to type Amazon. And as you can see, Amazon payments, click here. You'll be able to view the websites. We don't need to view the websites because we already did. And we normally logged in into your account and etc. And you can click on view lessons. If you're getting any issues here, you'll be able to know everything on how to connect the Webflow with Amazon Pay. So if you're facing any issues or if you didn't understand something in this video, you can also just come here and check everything for the customer help, merchant help, e-commerce plugins, and contact us. You can even contact them if you're having any issues with the Amazon Pay button. As you can see, you'll find this Amazon Pay button in your Webflow website. So if you're facing any issues, you'll find everything explained here. And and of course, once you do so, once you having any issues and come here, you'll find everything is easy as you can see, and you'll be able to find your payments or as this one. So let me just go back to it. You'll find this Amazon Pay option in your website, and you can add this wherever you want. And before publishing it again, make sure to preview your sites with another browser, and you'll be actually good to go. So if you reach this point, fantastic job. You've successfully integrated Amazon payments into your Webflow website. By offering Amazon Pay as a payments option, you provide your customers with a trusted and convenient way to make purchases. Remember to regularly monitor your Amazon Pay accounts for transactions and remember to manage any refund or disputes through the Amazon Pay interface. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more webs or web design tips and tricks, and even leave a like below. Of course, if you're still facing any issues, you can also go and let down in the comments your thoughts or problem, and I'll come back to you as soon as possible with a new video. Or you can simply contact the Webflow customer service or even the Amazon one. So thanks for watching and happy integrating Amazon payments with Webflow, and I will see you in the next one.